Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the last part, we spoke about the mode and the mean of the group data. And we said that the mean of the group data is equal to sigma of xm fxm divided by n. This is for the group data. And also we spoke about the mode. And we said the mode can be found by two methods, by the formula which is equal to L plus delta 1 divided by delta 1 plus delta 2 times the value, where L is the lower boundary of the model class, delta 1 is the difference between the model frequency and the frequency just above that one, and delta 2 is the difference between the model frequency and the one under that one. The value is the class width. Another technique is to use the histogram cross between the corners of the highest frequency and the one besides, then go down to find the mode. That's what we did in the last part. In this part, we are going to speak about finding the median for grouped data. As we did for the mode, we are going to do for the median. To find the median for a group data, we have also two techniques, or two ways. The first one using the formula, the second one is using the graph. Now let's find the median of this example. I have frequency distribution or a grouped frequency distribution, and we need to find the median. Now to find the median of the group data, we have to construct a cumulative frequency distribution. This is different from the one of the mode. So step number one, I think I have it down. Okay. Construct cumulative frequency distribution. For the accumulative frequency distribution, that will be let's say that let's start with less than 5.5, then less than 10.5. We are taking the lower boundaries, less than 15.5, less than 20.5, less than 25.5, less than 30.5, less than 30.5, and less than 40.5. Less than 5.5, that will be the frequency there. We did this before. Less than 5.5 is 0. It is shorter because I need space. Now less than 10.5, it is the first frequency. Now we are adding 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Less than 15.5, we add it to the next one, which is 3. Less than 20.5, added to 3, we'll have 6. Plus 5, plus 4 is equal to 15. Plus 3, I will have 18, and plus the last one is 20. So this is the accumulated frequency. Now I need to find sigma of f divided by 2. The total of the frequency divided by 2, which is equal to 20, will be the last one. And that is the last one, is 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Now the number 10 or the value 10 is between 6 and 11. It is in this position. It's between 6 and 11. So this one, the upper one will be the lower boundary, and this is the upper one. If you go back to the formula, I have the median is equal to L, the lower, then sigma F over 2 minus F1 divided by F2 minus F2, or F2 minus F1 multiplied by W. So this will be the L. So in my case, L is equal to 20.5. Now I need to find F1 and F2. The one above 10 is, this is F1, and this is F2. What I have 10 is between 6 and 11. So 6 is F1 and 11 is F2. Now I can use the formula to find the median. In this case, the median is equal to L plus sigma F divided by 2 minus F1 divided by F2 minus F1 multiplied by class width. The value is the class width. I have to write this there. This is class width. So this is equal to 20.5 plus sigma F divided by 2, it is 10, minus F1, F1 is equal to 6, divided by F2 is 11 minus F1, which is 6. So this is equal to 20.5 plus 4 divided by 5. 20.5 plus 4 divided by 5, which is equal, multiplied by, I forget to write the class width. That will be 20.5 plus 4 divided by 5 multiplied by 5. I can cancel this. With this one, I will have 24.5. So the median of this grouped data is equal to 24.5. So we use the accumulated frequency to find the median. Median equal to L, the lower again. We need to find the mid of the frequencies, which is a sigma of F divided by 2 is equal to 10, and then we locate that one in the accumulated frequency distribution, and we found that it was between 6 and 11. So the one before is the lower bound for the class, and the one after will be the upper bound. Then we apply the formula, which is the median equal to sigma of F divided by 2 minus F1. F1 is the one just above the value that we found, and F2 is the one after, that is 11. So the median equal to L plus sigma of F divided by 2 minus F1 divided by F2 minus F1 multiplied by omega or W, the class width. And we found the median is equal to 24.5. Now let's try to find the mode or the median, I'm sorry, the median using the graph. For the median, we are using the OGI. For the mode, we use the histogram. For the median, it is the OGI. As we did, it is less than 5.5, less than 10.5, less than 15.5, less than 20.5. This is the accumulated frequency, less than 25.5, less than 30.5, less than 35.5, and less than 40.5. As I said before, go back for the example. We are using these boundaries, like L shape. We did it before. It was less than 5, it is 0. Then we have 1, 3, 6, 11. Then we have 15, 18, and 20. Now let's graph this one, this frequency distribution, or accumulated frequency distribution. Frequency from 1 to 20. So let's say this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. So it seems to be small. Make it larger. Just to make it clear. I'll take every 2. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Now class boundaries will be down, so this is 5.5. Then we have 10.5, 15.5, 20.5, 25.5, 30.5, 35.5, and 40.5. Less than 5 is 0. 10.5 is 1. This is 1. 15.5 was 3. 20.5 is 6. 25.5, see, 11. It will be about this point. 30.5 plus 15. This was 15. Next one was 18. Last one was 20. And our jive is moving, just connect between these points. Now, to find the median, we know that sigma of f divided by 2, which is equal to 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. 10, this is the frequency. This is 10. Go horizontal and see where it is intersecting the the graph of the ogive. And you will find, if you go down, about 25. So the median is approximately equal to 25.5. And if this is accurate, it will be about 24.5. So at this point, it should go with this 25. So this is, but 25 should be there. So the median for this one, if this is accurate, I'll say it is 25. So it's approximately equal to 25. And this is the idea of finding the mode using, or the median, using the graph of the accumulated frequency distribution. So again, to find the median, we have two ways to find. The formula, which is equal to L plus sigma of f divided by 2 minus f1. F1 is the frequency just above the sigma of f divided by 2 divided by f2 minus f1 multiplied by the class width. This is the formula. Or using the ogive to find approximate value of the median.